I hope you understand I'm hanging on to you. Through our colors of love, I will never fade out or stray too far from you. I'll be the face in every mood, painting a smile on, reminding you through every panic, cheer and fuse. We will survive, but how do we keep our love alive? Why does something so good feel so damn hard tonight? When it's nobody's fault and we're tired of trying, I'm gonna keep our love alive. I'm gonna keep our love alive. I know you understand how you surrender me. From your city of ruins, I was built back up when your heart cemented me. I'll be the silence where you sleep. I'll be the violence till we own the streets. You could look up